subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new 5G enabled phone in China called Vivo Y51s. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y51s features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that houses 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.05 aperture. At the back, the phone supports triple camera setup including LED flash in a vertical manner. The AAA camera includes 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Vivo Y51s is powered by Exynos 880 chipset paired with Mali G76 MP5 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 based on FunTouchOS 10.5 skin on top, and it houses 4500 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that reduces the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.05 by 76.61 by 8.46 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y51s has been priced in China at 1,798 Chinese yuan, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 29th in Secret Realm Black, Snow Feather White, and Bee Hallen blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y51s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.